Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I'll show you the steps for inserting HTML code into your Shopify store. By the end of the tutorial, you'll understand where to add your code, how to control when it appears, and how to position it exactly where you want it on your page. Begin by logging in to your Shopify admin area. On the left-hand navigation panel, go to Online Store, then select Themes. Your active theme will be displayed at the top of the page. Click the main button for that theme to launch the theme editor. So, click Edit Theme. This editor is where you can manage all the visual content shown on your storefront. Next, determine the exact page or area where you want your HTML to appear. Use the page or template selector at the top of the editor to navigate to the section you want to modify. You can switch between your homepage, product templates, collection pages, and other layout types depending on where the custom code belongs. Choosing the correct template now ensures the HTML will only appear on the pages you intend. In the left-hand sidebar of the editor, scroll until you see Add Section and click it. A list of section types will appear. Select Custom Liquid from the list. This option is made specifically for inserting your own code without editing the theme files directly. A text box will appear inside the section. Paste your HTML code into the Custom Liquid field. Be sure your code is clean and self-contained so it doesn't interfere with the theme's existing styling. Because many themes apply global styles, your HTML may automatically adopt the theme's colors and fonts, helping it visually blend in. If the formatting looks strange, consider using simple, minimal HTML to avoid clashing with the theme's CSS. Before finalizing, adjust any available settings for that section. Many Shopify themes allow you to control visibility between mobile and desktop. This is useful if your code is designed for certain screen sizes. Use these toggles and any spacing or alignment options to fine-tune how the section appears. Now, position the section where you want it. In the left sidebar, drag and drop the Custom Liquid block to reorder it. Move it above or below other sections until it sits exactly where you want it on the page. Once everything looks correct, click on Save. Your HTML code is now applied to the selected template. To verify the result, open your storefront and view the page. If the change isn't showing, double-check that you saved, confirm you edited the right template, and refresh the page. And that's the whole process. You've successfully inserted HTML into Shopify using a custom Liquid section and positioned it exactly where you want it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Shopify site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.